If you want to convert text to a file with Zapier, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set it up so you can turn text into a file automatically without wasting time doing it manually. This is a super useful workflow if you're working with content, automations, document generation, or anything that needs text saved as a downloadable file. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for Assets. This is where Zapier keeps different tools and workflow-related options. Click on Assets, then open Zap Workflows. That will take you to the area where all your existing Zaps are stored. Now, choose the Zap where you want to convert text to file. If you already have an automation built, open that one. If not, you'll want to work inside the Zap you're creating for this process. Once the Zap opens, click the plus icon to add a new step. This is where the file conversion action will be added. Next, click Utilities. Zapier has a lot of built-in tools under Utilities, and this is the section you'll use for file-related actions. After that, click Files. This is the app or tool inside Zapier that handles file-based actions, including converting text into a file format you can use in your automation. Now, you'll get to the Action Event screen. Click Action Event, then select Text from File. This may sound a little backward at first, but this is the file-related action you need for working with text and file output inside the workflow. Once you've selected it, click Continue. On the setup screen, you'll now fill in the required fields. First, insert the file URL. This tells Zapier where the file or source content is coming from. Then select the file type you want to use. Depending on your workflow, this could be a text file or another supported file format. Choosing the correct file type is important because it determines how the output will be created and used. After that, fill in the sheets to extract field if your automation is pulling data from a spreadsheet or structured source. This helps Zapier know exactly which data to use when creating the file. Then select the encoding. Encoding matters because it tells Zapier how to read and process the file contents correctly. Once all the fields are completed, click Continue. And that's it. Your Zap is now set up to convert text into a file automatically. You can test the step to make sure everything runs correctly, then turn on the Zap and let it handle the process for you. This kind of automation is great for creating documents, exporting text, generating records, or passing formatted content into other apps. It saves time, keeps your workflow consistent, and removes a lot of repetitive work. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Zapier walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.